Have you ever wondered what the future of luxury electric SUVs looks like? Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2026 NIO ES9, a vehicle that combines futuristic technology, premium comfort, powerful electric performance, and stunning design into one incredible package. Some people are already calling it one of the most exciting electric SUVs of the year. So, is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 NIO ES9 immediately grabs attention. Finished in a beautiful light golden color, this SUV looks elegant, modern, and incredibly premium. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights and a clean futuristic design that gives the vehicle a strong road presence. From every angle, the S9 looks sophisticated and advanced. Moving to the side profile, the aerodynamic body lines help improve efficiency while also making the SUV look sporty and luxurious. Large alloy wheels, flush door handles, and a stylish roofline add to the premium appearance. Whether parked in the city or driving on the highway, the S9 stands out wherever it goes. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight design creates a futuristic signature look. The clean styling and premium details make the SUV look modern and high-tech even from behind. Now let's step inside. The cabin of the 2026 NIO ES9 is where luxury truly comes to life. Premium leather seats, high-quality materials, and a minimalist dashboard create a relaxing and sophisticated environment. The massive touchscreen display serves as the control center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster provides all important driving information in a clear and modern format. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a premium atmosphere, especially during night driving. The panoramic sunroof makes the interior feel even more spacious and luxurious. Comfort is another major highlight. The front seats are designed for long-distance driving, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and excellent seating comfort. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a family road trip, the S9 offers a first-class experience. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 NIO ES9 is powered by an advanced electric powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive responsiveness. The instant torque typical of electric vehicles makes acceleration feel effortless and exciting. On city roads, the SUV feels refined and comfortable. On highways, it remains stable and confident even at higher speeds. The intelligent all-wheel drive system helps maximize traction and control in various driving conditions. One of the most important aspects of any electric vehicle is battery performance. NIO has equipped the ES9 with advanced battery technology designed to deliver excellent range and efficiency. This allows drivers to travel long distances with confidence while reducing charging stops. Charging technology is equally impressive. The vehicle supports fast charging, allowing the battery to recover significant range in a relatively short period of time. For drivers with busy schedules, this convenience can make a huge difference. One unique feature associated with NIO vehicles is battery swap technology. Instead of waiting for a full charge, drivers can potentially replace the battery through an automated battery swap system. This innovative solution demonstrates NIO's commitment to making electric mobility more practical and convenient. Technology plays a major role throughout the vehicle. Advanced driver assistance systems help improve safety and confidence behind the wheel. Features such as intelligent navigation, smart parking assistance, and modern connectivity options contribute to a futuristic driving experience. The SUV also performs well on different road conditions. Whether driving through busy city streets, cruising on open highways, or exploring rough mountain roads, the S9 maintains comfort, stability, and control. Its suspension system is tuned to provide a smooth ride while still delivering confident handling. Another area where the ES9 shines is its premium lifestyle appeal. Imagine arriving at a luxury hotel, driving along a coastal road during sunset, or exploring a modern city skyline. The vehicle perfectly complements a sophisticated and modern lifestyle. When it comes to overall value, the 2026 NIO ES9 offers an impressive combination of luxury, technology, performance, and innovation. It represents the next generation of electric SUVs and showcases how quickly the automotive industry is evolving. So, what do you think about the 2026 NIO ES9? Does it have what it takes to compete with the biggest names in the luxury electric SUV segment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NIO Drive Korea for more exciting car reviews, automotive news, and the latest updates from the world of luxury vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.